playing with the flower garden. When I entered the garden of my best friend, I noticed the sky rise and play with the flower garden. When I roamed about the foggy mountains, I noticed two soft snakes playing and threatening each other. Two antelopes at the crossing on Kother Spring, attracting poor me with pleasant stares. In the market where the trade of loves succeeds, the seller will haggle and play with the buyer. I entered the garden, having forgotten the whole world. I looked at the flower regretfully. A nightingale was playing with the flower in high spirits. An apple and a pomegranate, a fig and a pomegranate are playing. Good words will find their place on the tongue. Anything that falls down into the food won't stay. Among those of a stable nation, with its courageous men, honor and dignity that never get along will play together. Fate roams around, planting the seeds of merciless separation, so cowards won't get together with the brave. Magtymguly, having met his beloved Mengli, will be having fun with us for 5 days.